The Punjab and Haryana High Court in a midnight hearing directed the Punjab government to not take any coercive action against BJP leader Tajinder Bagga until the next hearing on May 10. The BJP leader had moved the High Court challenging the non-bailable arrest warrant issued against him by a Mohali court on Saturday, relating to a case registered against him on the charges of making provocative statements, promoting enmity, and for alleged criminal intimidation. The urgent hearing of the plea was held at the residence of Justice Anup Chitkara in Chandigarh. Senior Congress leader P. Chidambaran has raised the pitch on federalism amid what looks like an ongoing tit-for-tat game between the centre and the Punjab government. He accused the state police forces of serving their political masters and warned that the current confrontation between the Punjab, Delhi and Haryana police is a vision of the future if the police are used in such manner. This was bound to happen someday. Punjab, Delhi and Haryana police confrontation is an example of what lies in the store in the future. Police serving their respective political masters will lead to the ultimate breakdown of federalism that is already in peril, he tweeted. Hours after resigning from Congress, former Karnataka Minister Pramod Madhvaraj joined BJP along with other party leaders in the presence of Karnataka Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai on Saturday. Former MLA and Minister in the state, Mr. Madhvaraj, tendered his resignation from the primary membership of the Congress party earlier in the day. Mr. Madhvaraj addressed his resignation letter to KPCC President D.K. Shivakumar stating, I have decided not to accept the post of Vice Presidentship of KPCC and also to tender my resignation from the primary membership of the Congress Party. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramanna on Saturday expressed serious concerns over rising violence against upright and hard-working doctors and the lodging of false case against them. The CGI said that he would like to pay his tribute to the unending spirit of doctors who work tirelessly around the clock for their patients. Doctors are mentors, guides, friends, and counselors. They should always remain active members of society and solve problems faced by the people, he said. The CGI said, I'm extremely saddened to witness rising violence against doctors. Several false cases are being lodged against upright and hardworking doctors. They need a better and more secure working environment. The last of Ukrainian civilians trapped in the steel plant in the port of city Mariupol have now been evacuated according to officials. Ukraine's Deputy Prime Minister Haryana said on Saturday that all women, children and the elderly have been brought out from the underground bunkers in the vast steel mill where they hid from Russian attacks with little food, water or medicine. This is the part of Mariupol humanitarian operation is over, Vereshchuk told on a Telegram messaging app.